Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to expose you how you can make money online with Amazon Associate Marketing. So I'm going to reveal you 3 simple techniques that you can comply with to make money with Amazon Associate Advertising, and these are the methods that I exploit to make money online with Amazon Affiliate. So earlier than we begin the video, I would love to ask you to provide subscribe button if you want those type of movies, due to the fact we release every day videos in this channel, a way to make money online, a way to make cash with affiliate marketing, so that you do not need to overlook that out. Make sure to press that subscribe button so allows leap instantly into this approach. So initially, to give an explanation for you guys, what is Amazon Associate Advertising? So basically, we're going to promote Amazon products for our commission, and there are distinct commissions for a exceptional sort of merchandise. And right here you can see simply an instance. Here you could see on TVs and TV gadgets 7% at the fashion indicates jewelry, and on 10% on luxurious beauty and extra. So there are special commissions for each merchandise, and you can earn up to 10 advertising charges, so that you can earn up to 10 of the revenue of the sale. So just to present you an instance, I'm buying a cutting-edge MacBook seasoned, which I'm going to make a video soon about why I purchased that PC, but I think they don't even listen it on Amazon because they launched it perhaps days ago. So simply to give an example, that is $1,001 product, and basically if we earn, shall we embrace 8% commission on that, that is around, I suppose, $200 or something like that. I'm now not one handshi, so shall we say $200 if we sell this MacBook Pro. So allows, let's talk approximately the mud that we will use to get sales. So first of all, what we want to do is we need to click on be a part of now at no cost, and we're going to sign up for Amazon Associate application. So once we try this, we are going to get associate hyperlinks, and we can sell our affiliate links in loose methods. So first method that I take advantage of to promote is YouTube. So I do assessment of the product, and that I positioned a hyperlink in description. So just provide an instance, shall we embrace with you. So this is evaluation, and we're going to do an unboxing, or shall we say overview of the product, and in description we're going to leave our associate link. So what someone clicks on the affiliate hyperlink, they are going to test this item out, and in the event that they buy the product, we are going to earn a fee. And the fine aspect about affiliate marketing is if they join in the event that they click on our associate hyperlink and they do not purchase this product proper right here, they'll purchase some distinct product, you're nonetheless going to earn a commission on that. Or shall we say they buy the 2 of these mega execs, you're going to learn no longer $200, but you are going to earn 400 greenbacks for that. So this is our first manner. And for someone that is searching for MacBook seasoned evaluation, they are in all likelihood going to buy the product because they are doing some deep research approximately the product, and this is a high capability of our consumer because they are gaining knowledge of for the product, and that they are going to likely purchase the product. So this is why a lot of human beings aren't doing opinions. Next issue that we can do is we can create compilations. So let's allows say Pinnacle 10 lab excursions. So to give you an example, that let's consider laptops of 2018, simply to provide you an example. So right here you could see this video probable has associate hyperlinks. This one doesn't here, but just I'm going to provide an example. So here you may see this video has almost 600,000 views. Numerous human beings are going to be interested by shopping for laptops, so they're going to click again on your associate hyperlink, and you can purchase the product. You're going to get a commission if they buy something unique. You are still going to get the fee. So that is the splendor of Amazon affiliate marketing. So simply to locate one video with affiliate links to show you an example here, you could see this guy is doing satisfactory laptops of 2018, and you may see for each Product E has an Amazon affiliate hyperlink. So essentially, as I stated, when someone clicks in this link, guys, purchase the product, you are going to earn a commission. So that is why I allowed this technique, and I am surely doing this method. And 13 is internet site reviews. So if we go on google.com and sort MacBook Pro 2018, you're probably going to discover I'm not going to try this due to the fact we do not need to waste any time. We don't want to make this video too long. But if we kinda MacBook Pro 2018 and on move in Google Seek, you are going to see a lots and tons of websites doing assessment of those products in the high quality aspect. Approximately this method is you don't want surely to personal the product to expose the product due to the fact we're doing an evaluation on our internet site, so there you can talk approximately the product and you could publish your associate hyperlinks there. So that is the 3 ways that we are able to promote our merchandise. So essentially what are we doing is we had been getting the affiliate hyperlink. I am doing actually the maximum of the promoting with those 2, and I am going to soon add the video of, let's assume, MacBook seasoned unboxing to reveal you, man, whilst I get it maybe in around 3 days. So I am going to expose, guys, how you may do that without a doubt due to the fact I am now not even surely expert in this sort of films, and I am just going to, as I stated, to add video approximately Mac seasoned, evaluate, and that I truly like to do this, the pinnacle 10 videos, so that you can do these top 10 gadgets or something like that, and we put up our associate links inside the description and they display you meant. So you put up the name of the product and affiliate link. So essentially when a person clicks on this associate hyperlink, you are going to get a commission. If you can see, in only a few months this video we're given 150 0 volts, which is virtually crazy, and you don't need that massive amount of views to get income. But let's have a look at it. You get 10,000, 20,000 perspectives on your films in a year. You are nevertheless going to make a few precise amount of money from this approach. So we get affiliate link, we publish it in a YouTube description, and we get a sale. Not anything, simply not anything truly complicated, right? There we just need to discover the customers, and that is essentially what is associate marketing, finding the patron and creating a sale. So this is one of the ways that you can make money with them. Affiliate advertising, and once more you could do Pinnacle 10 for nearly something I used to be doing, top 10 devices or something like that. You may write even on Amazon. Here you can see 10 cool devices which you must recognize approximately, and this way might be going to care associate hyperlinks. No, it would not help. I don't even recognize why people are not doing this, because they are losing a lot of cash, but that is listening to some associate things, but these are not Amazon associate hyperlinks. So basically you can do a lot, quite a few this form of videos. Right here you may see this video has affiliate link, that is it, Amazon affiliate hyperlink. So this is a big capacity to make cash online with Amazon affiliate advertising. And what is the satisfactory thing about this approach is you are no longer going to earn just cash from the commission from associate advertising. You are additionally going to make cash with AdSense, so that you're going to, when you add movies, you are going to run advertisements on your films, and that is essentially going to present you another letting my enjoy from 3 to 5 in keeping with 1,000 perspectives. So let's consider this video receives 100 views. So basically this may get you around $500. So simply from one video you may underneath $500 just from advertisements. So that is why I like Amazon affiliate advertising, and I really like doing it on YouTube, because we're going to create streams of intim YouTube AdSense and Amazon affiliate program. So basically that is how you can earn money with Amazon associate advertising. And to do reviews and unboxing you really need to personal the product, but to do those other techniques, to do other 2 strategies, you don't truly need to personal the product. You can discover random pics online, free snapshots. I wouldn't use copyrighted pics, so you can find on the net, and it is surely easy so that you can effortlessly create top 10 laptops, top 10 gadgets, top 10 something on Amazon. I don't even realize there are probable round to tens of millions and tens of millions of products that you could pick out from, and that is essentially how we can do Amazon associate advertising and marketing. So you can see this, guys, probable going to have associate hyperlinks. So essentially all people doing this method, because this is without a doubt that profitable, and also you don't imply you haven't any competition right here, due to the fact anyone can do make money with this.